Tensions are simmering within ZANU-PF as party insiders criticize National Chairperson Opam Chunguri Kashiri for failing to organize District Coordination Committee (DCC) elections, sparking concerns about the party's internal power dynamics. Zinapenda mashukonya zikuonekwa panguwa ine kudze knife out for Opam Chunguri overfilled DCC elections. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina mnamobra kwa mchinzi. The DCCs, which comprise elected representatives from party cells and branches, play a crucial role in determining leadership at provincial levels and influencing key appointments. However, sources claim Muchinguri's leadership has neglected constitutional obligations, leading to expired DCC terms. A senior political member expressed frustration, accusing Muchinguri of fostering ineffective leadership and allegedly harboring presidential ambitions. Another insider echoed concerns, citing the need for fresh leadership. ZANU-PF's Director of Information Farai Marabira dismissed allegations claiming the party leadership remains united and focused on a nationwide self-verification exercise. Political analysts see the current disarray as symptomatic of deeper factionalism within ZANU-PF, highlighting the DCC's historical role in power struggles. The failure to hold timely DCC elections underscores challenges Muchinguri faces in managing power balances amid the rivalries. Thomas Shukwarukuda panguwa ine vachinzi vana Muchinguri vachifela kumobiliza ma-DCC panguwa ine kunyasoradza kuti inhau yekuti vari kutadza kucontenda tension irimo in the ruling party. Zvamuri kuona kuti panapa mafactions they have risen and anyasi kusimukazve nechisimba panguva ine zviri kuonekwa kunzi nawo havasi kukwanisa kumobiliza nokuda kuti vakada kungozvitanga chete havatombozvikwanisi. Noda kuti ma-DCC anozikanwa kuti aiwa ndo anofanira kureza ma-representatives anozoonekwa aiwa kumaprovincial. Tozive mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pamusoro penhau iyi muchiona vana Muchinguri vachiattakiwa. Vamuonaudza nema-allegations ecorruption nekuexposwa kwakaitwa nana Bob Shogeza ma-previous addresses. Ndinako section medu dza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kusana subscribe or like pamwe chete noturn on the bell icon.